We're gonna put this big shiner out. Our big bluegill got eaten by a flathead. Our lamprey we had earlier, we turned it loose and let it go. So, because we thought it needed to go back into the ecosystem. And we're gonna throw this big shiner out and see what it does.
Here we go. Landing with another fish. That's that big shiner we just put out there. I don't think he was supposed to eat that fish, but he did.
He ain't nothing to brag about. He's a largemouth bass.
Look at what a bass.
Hold him right here, man. There he is.
It's like a 3-pound bass, isn't it?
Big bass ate that shiner. That's funny.
Right there is the bass.